So welcome back to this YouTube channel, MilesTech. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how I came up with this PowerPoint that is looking like what you have seen. So I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the second skill. Remember that this is part 2 of our 100 parts that we decided to host on this YouTube channel, teaching you guys all the 100 PowerPoint skills, and this is the second part. First step, you're going to open a new PowerPoint file. Create a new PowerPoint document. Let us name it as MilesTech. We're going to learn that skill you have seen above. This one, this skill like this. Let me show you. I'm going to direct you this skill. Hope you are seeing. So we are going to come to our new PowerPoint. I will save now. So you're going to click to add a first slide, and the slide layout you're going to select blank. Now once the slide layout is blank, the next thing you're going to do is to add a picture. So I'm going to come pictures. I'm going to come insert, then pictures, then I will choose from my stock images. Feel free to add any picture of your choice. So in my stock images, I will select any one of the pictures I'm seeing. So let us choose this picture. You're free to guide me which picture to choose, but let us choose this one. And then once you select this one, you're going to come to crop right here. Make sure that you are in picture format, then crop, then select aspect ratio, then choose 16:9. Now check enter, and then come make sure that that picture fills the whole slide like this. And then once it fills the whole slide, we're going to do this next. You're going to come, let us make sure that it fills the whole slide. We are going to come insert, then you're going to come select shapes, then rectangle. I'll select a rectangular shape to fill the whole slide like this. So once it fills the whole slide, I'll choose the shape fill. I'll choose a color white. You're free to choose any color of your choice, but me, I will select a color white. And then it isn't white, is like it is color white, darkness 15%. Now the next thing, I'm going to come to insert, then a text box. Now I'll put in this. I'll put a text box in the middle of that shape. Now I'm going to choose the font style. I will choose impact, and then the font size, I will choose 150, and I'll make the text I will type in to be broad. Once I'm done with that, I'll type in a text, for example. Alright, you're going to type in any text you want. So let us use our YouTube channel's name, MilesTech. And then after, you're going to come to center it. After centering it, you're going to put in another text box, like insert, then text box, and then after, that text box will be a little bit smaller compared to the first one. And then for the font also, you're going now to use Aptos display. Now the font size, let us all use 25, and then you can also bloat, and then you can put in the motto, we run the city by talent. Then after, also center it by pressing Ctrl E. Alternatively, you can press right here. You can drag, you can get this text box, the second one, try to drag and make it near the first text box like this. This is the second part. Our first part is already pinned down in the description of this YouTube video. Remember that I'm going to guide you through 100 parts full of professional PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint skills you can use and score highly, or you can use and present a professional work. So after, you're going to come and press the Control button without releasing it on your keyboard. Press the Control button without releasing it, and then you're going to tap this shape and select that shape. Tap the first text box, then also tap the second text box without releasing the Control button on your keyboard. Now after, you're going to come shape format. Tap shape format, we have transitions, and then we have shape format, then merge shapes, then subtract. And once you subtract, you're going to get something that will be looking like that. Now we're going on our last step on our last settings. You're going to try to zoom out like that, and then you're going to come insert, then a picture, select a picture from stock, or you can select a picture from your device, but here we use the stock pictures. And then you're going to come, and then I'll search tech. I want some tech pictures, and then I will come and select this keyboard and I will insert it. Let us wait for it to download. I'll insert that keyboard picture in this presentation. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. So it is done downloading. Once it is done downloading, you're going to come picture format, then crop aspect ratio, choose 16:9, and then check, grab that picture and then try to take it the right, like what I'm doing right here. And then after, you're going to come insert, then shapes, then choose a rectangular shape like this. You're going to come right here and then try to draw such a kind of a rectangle like this. Like this. Then after, you're going to come shape fill, choose color black. Then after, shape outline, choose to no outline. And then you're going to do this next. You're going to come select this shape, a rectangular shape with a blacker fill and no outline. Then press the Control button without releasing it, and then you're going to tap onto that picture, the keyboard picture, the second picture you have selected. And then after, you're going to come to animations, then add animation, then go down till you see the exit animations, and then look for motion path, select lines. So after you selecting lines, come effect options right here, then left, and then after choosing left, you're going to come and then try to look for this one. Hope you are seeing this car red stuff. Double click on your keyboard, then drag it until it reaches right there. You can also try to get this black shape and make it out of the slide. make sure that everything is set like this. Then after, you are going to come, make sure that it doesn't start right here. This one, get it, sorry. Let us get this one. Make sure that it starts from here. As you see, it will be looking like that. Now get this keyboard also. Make sure that it comes and it covers like that. It comes like that. Then after, you're going to come, press in the space, get this rectangle shape, the white one. First try to remove it like this. Try to remove it from the main picture, and then you're going to tap this picture in the background you inserted earlier. Then press the control button, press also this picture, the keyboard picture. Make sure that you have selected two pictures, this one and this one, and then come right click onto this keyboard picture, then look for this option or look for the context menu, and then choose send to back right here like that. Then after, come and put back this rectangular picture like that. Sorry, make sure that it feels as it was in the first place, and then Ctrl S and then save. After, you're going to try to play your slide. It will be coming up as that. Thank you guys for following. I'm MilesTech, and I sign out.